nurtured both critical thinking and effective communication, shaping minds and voices. Sa video po, makikita natin ang isang guro na hindi lang nagturo ng formula sa grammar, kundi nagmulat ng isipan at puso. Ladies and gentlemen, the story of Ma'am Marilyn Espejo.
Always knew this day would come. We'd be standing one by one with a future in our hands. So many dreams, so many plans. Always knew after all these years there'd be laughter, there'd be tears. I never thought I'd walk away with so much joy, with so much pain. It's so hard to say goodbye, but yesterday's gone. We gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment. So glad we can have you. The times that we had, I'll keep like a photograph. And put you in my heart forever. I'll always another chapter in the book. Can't go back, but you can look. And there we are on every page. Memories I'll always say. Up ahead on the open doors. Who knows what we're heading towards? I wish you love, I wish you love. But you know this opens up a place so hard to
Oh, dahil di nakamulang daw. Pas-pas kayo. Ako na. Ako, giyapo na. Ako, giyapo na. Gi-post taas kayo. Lugay na maman. Gi-post kay taas kayo, no? Taas ko kayo to.
What a beautiful
Post naman
testament to hard work and passion. It is clear that Ma'am Marilyn's influence extends far beyond the walls of our offices. Let us show our appreciation with a warm round of applause.
Tindog, Maring. Maring. Tindog.
And finally,
Thank you.
let us witness the milestone and inspiring journey of our third honoree.